my gypsy girl. She's something to myself. She be minding on my place. She looking on my eye order.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another wig review. So this wig is brought to you by SAMSBEAUTY. So thank you so much, Sams, for sending over this new unit. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. You guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload. And yeah, let's get into this wig. So I actually have the wig on right now that I'm reviewing. I know I never start my videos like this, but I just was like dying to try this wig out. So I literally already put it on. I cut off the lace, I put it on, I added the powder into the part. Like, this wig is already here to slay, okay? She's already ready to go. I really like this unit, you guys. This one is called the Paradise Wave, and this one is from the Stylist. I have her in the number 2. I almost wish I had gotten her in the number 4 if it's available in a 4, only because this too is still a little bit dark for my taste, but I definitely like the curl pattern and the waves on this wig. This is the type of wig that's gonna get bigger and better with time, and you know me, I'm here for it. I'm here for it, okay? I am here for it. I love the way this curl pattern is. It's kind of like loose waves at the bottom, a little bit more of like a curly wave at the top. Love it. Now, if you don't like this much volume at the top in the parting space, you can always just grab your curling iron and just go ahead and, you know, make it a little flatter at the top, or you can grab your mousse. So I haven't really done anything to this unit. I literally just cut the lace off. My baby hairs are already out, so my edges are already out around this wig, and it honestly works just perfectly. The cap definitely fits my head perfectly. I'm wearing the cap behind the hairline, and I also have the adjustable straps connected to one another. I think if the adjustable straps were open, this wig would be a little bit big on my head, but I do have a small to average size head, so my head is small. So the fact that it's a little big on me doesn't mean it would be big on you. And I'm also wearing her behind the hairline. If you wore her in front of the hairline, of course, it's going to take up, you know, a little bit more space. So you'll be good there. I definitely love this wig, you guys. I would suggest it. It's a long one. I would say she's around 26 inches. I'm going to turn around. So yeah, she's definitely hitting me like down where my butt is. So yeah, she's definitely 26 inches, if not 28. But she's really, really pretty. I love this wig. Of all the Stylist wigs, this is probably one at the top of the list, I would definitely say. And the good thing about this wig is it's a frontal. So you're gonna get a lot of parting space, okay? Sorry, I just looked down at my phone. So you're gonna get a lot of good parting space in this wig. You can adjust the part, but for this one, I definitely love the middle part. It's really, really cute, and I like it. If you guys like the chain that I'm wearing, it is available on my website. My website is DRAGONESS.com, and it does have matching earrings. I don't know why I'm not wearing the earrings right now, but this chain does have matching earrings. So if you want to check out all the accessories that I have on Just the Dragoness, I will link it in the information box down below. And if you have questions about this wig that I have not answered, feel free to leave them in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to get right back to you. If you want to check out this wig on SAMSBEAUTY.com, I will leave a link to the direct link to this wig in the description box as well. All right, you guys, before we get out of here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that share. Share this video with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share it with your mama, okay? Share this video with your mother. All right, you guys, on that note, I will see you in the next one. Peace.